Hello, we are taking example from the decay exponential function to write an equation from an existing graph. So the graph has information will help us to determine the parameters for the combined transformation function. So from the graph, we can see the SM2 value, which is y equal 4, and give us 2 points on the graph, which is -3 comma 1 and -4 comma -2. So this question from Algebra 2 volume 2 page 655 question 2. So from the graph we have the value y, which is give us the asymptote y equal k, which is y equal 4. Therefore, k will equal 4. And from the transition points, we're going to touch on the transition points. So the transition points for, we have different transition points for growth versus decay. When x equals 0, the transition points are the same for growth versus decay. So for the parent function of x equal bx, we have the point 0, 1 when we apply x. But for the transition points for growth and decay will be h comma a plus k. Now when x is 1, the parent function point will be 1 comma b, but the transition point will be different between growth and decay, which is 1 plus h comma a b plus k. But for a decay function, it's going to be h minus 1 comma a divided by b plus k. The asymptote for the parent function always y equals 0, but for the growth and decay, y equal k. So this information is important for us to remember when we're trying to resolve a decay exponential function. So for the first value, we mentioned that k equal 4. Then we try to come out with the remaining points, which is h, k, a, and b value. So we take the first reference point from the graph. As we mentioned, from the graph, the reference point is -3 comma 1, and that will equal h comma a plus k. So from the reference point, we can see that h equal -3, and the second point will be 1 equal a plus k. We know the value of k, so a plus 4 equal 1. We move 4 to the other side, will be -4 minus 4. That will be a equal -3. Now we have the value of h, a, and k. So from the combined transformation function, we can replace these values. The only value left is b. So from the combined transformation function, which is gx equal a b power x minus h plus k, we replace a with -4. Actually, it's -3, so that's a typo. I will have it fixed. So it should be -3 b x plus 3. Why did we have +3? Because here we have -h, means -3 is going to be +3 plus 4. So here this one, instead of 4, is going to be -3. So -3 b power x plus 3 plus 4. So now we need to find the b value. So we have to use the second reference point, which is -4 comma -2, and that's the second transition point. We're gonna use the h-1 comma ab plus k. So the reference point from the graph, it's -4 comma -2. That will equal h-1 a divided by b plus k. So we can see that we know h value is -3 -1. That will give us -4. You can see the two values are equal. Now for the second value, comma -2, will equal -3 divided by 4. The value of a is -3 divided by b plus 4. So that means -2 from the reference point equal -3 divided by 4 plus divided by b plus 4. Now we move the 4 to the other side, so we do -4 -4. That will give us -6 equal -3 divided by b. Now we'll do cross multiplication, so it will be b multiply 6 will be -6b equal -3 multiply 1. The base of -6 will be 1, so that will give us -3. Now to get rid of -6, we divide both sides by -6. That will give us b equal half, which is -3 divided by -6. That will give us half. So we replace the value of b in the combined transformation function. So the final answer will be gx equal -3 multiply half power to the power of x plus 3 plus 4. So after we found the combined transformation function, we find the domain. So the domain is all real numbers, or we can write it in a format of x bigger than -infinity, smaller than infinity. The range will be y smaller than 4 because of the asymptote. So the asymptote showing from the graph is y equal 4. So that will be the graph does not touch the asymptote, comes very close. So that means y smaller than 4 because all the values of y is smaller than number 4 going down. So 3, 2, 1, 0, -1, -2, -3. So all the values of y is below number y equal 4. All right. Any question? If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thank you.